Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video. This is Yerty Auto Service stock number 21094C. It is an 06 Crown Vic 4.6 liter. This used to be a police car, as you can tell. Low mileage, it only has 106K on it. Body is a little rough, paint's a little rough. It does run well, however. And we will have the dropout up for sale on eBay shortly. I'll go ahead and jump in here and fire this thing up for you, and you can hear it run. As you see, we don't have a key. Fortunately, this is the non-pass lock system, so it will run without a security system. Engine runs great, no issues. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video. This is, again, Yerty Auto Service stock number 21094C.